How to recover your permanently deleted emails from Gmail. Recovering permanently deleted Gmail messages within 30 days is by following up this method, but you can just go over and check out these methods for that. We can start by checking out the trash first. So open up Gmail and we can look out for the menu option in the top left, select it, and select the option of bin and tap on it. And once we are here in this section, the deleted emails stay in the trash or the bin for 30 days before the permanent deletion. You can check it out here. If the email is not in the trash, you can use the official Gmail message recovery tool as well. And what cannot be recovered is if your email has been deleted and it's not in this bin icon, usually messages from the spam folder can be also found. So for that, you can check out the spam folder instead and look out for the email here and check it out, and you can usually find it up. But if it's not there, the cleared trash or the drafts are usually not recoverable, so you cannot recover your permanently deleted emails from the Gmail. But if you want to request the recovery, you can follow up this method. So you can go to Google Gmail message recovery tool page, head over there, and what we can do is we can sign in with the affected account. So here we can confirm this process, tap on continue, and you can sign in with your affected account and click on continue to initiate the scan. And if successful, your if successful, the restored emails will appear on your all mail or inbox folders. You can just go over and check it out. But if it's permanently deleted, we cannot get them back, but you can try out this method and try recovering your Gmail. But and apart from that, if you're using a work or school account, contact your administrator as they may have more options for restoring data. So you can follow this method for that. We hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.